to buy Shiba Inu in Binance app. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can buy Shiba Inu in Binance app with any cryptocurrency. So what you need to do first is go to your Binance app. After that you have to go to your wallet option like that. This app will and this page will appear. After that you have to click on the funding option like here. You have to check how much money you have. So obviously it's not my main account. I will not show that. After that you have to transfer your funding of money to your spot account like here you can see the spot account 0.09. I'm going to transfer this USDT coin to my spot account so that I can buy Shiba Inu coin. So what you need to do that you have to click on transfer option like here. Then you have to click on this from option like that. You have to click on funding. Then you need to click on two option right here. This. Then you have to click on spot wallet in the last option. Okay. After that you have to click on USDT. It's by default selected. You have to click on this USDT option. If you have USDT or if you have Bitcoin, you have to choose Bitcoin. Okay. After that you have to enter the amount that how much money you need to buy the Shiba Inu coin. I'm going to do the max like that. Okay. After that you have to click on confirm transfer. So this is a easy process. So the main part is here. After that you have to click on spot option right here in the top option. If you don't find it, you can find it here in the trade option in the middle of the options. Please like this video and watch the full video to solve your problem. Okay. After that you have to click on this spot option. Then you have to click on this Shiba USDT. This will be changed in your mobile. Okay, in your app you have to search for it. If you need, you can search it SHIB. Okay, you have to click Shiba USDT, or if you have Bitcoin you can search Shiba BTC. If you have Ethereum you can search Shiba ETC like that. Okay, I am going to select Shiba USDT like that. Then I can buy Shiba Inu coin with my USDT. So after that, what the options I'm going to tell you. Okay, then you have to click on this buy option like here. Then after that what you can do is click on this limit option in the top option like here. If you want to buy the Shiba Inu coin in the market price, you can select market. If you want to buy the Shiba Inu coin in the selected price, if that you want, you have to click on limit. Then after that you have to put the price that you want to buy. If Shiba Inu coin comes to this price, the buying option will automatically selected. Okay, then after that I'm going to select market option like that. Okay, that I want to buy the Shiba Inu coin in the market rate. Okay, I'm going to show you, that's why I'm selecting market. Make sure you have the limit option selected. Okay, then what you need to do is click on the USDT option like that. If you want to buy the Shiba Inu coin in the USDT currency, if you want to select $1 USDT, you can select it. Or otherwise, if you want to buy the Shiba Inu coin in the Shiba Inu price, you can select it also. So what I'm gonna do is click on this option that I have available 0.31. Okay, I'm going to max. Okay, 0.31. Then you can see the max buy is 34821. The estimate fee is 2.6 SHIB. So if you after that, if you click on this buy SHIB option, you can find this green button like that. You can click on this buy SHIB. Okay, the total value should be more than 1 USDT. Please adjust it and try again. This is how you can buy Shiba Inu coin in your Binance app after entering the value of your amount here, like $10. You can click on this buy option like that. Then your Shiba Inu coin will be purchased. So this is how you can buy Shiba Inu coin in Binance app. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Or if you have any comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. Peace.